My name is Prachi and I post makeup related content on my channel. So if this is something that you enjoy watching, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the bell icon next to it so you'll be notified whenever I'll upload my next video. So today I'm going to teach you this super easy Indian look. This look seems very difficult, but trust me, it's very easy. I won't say that this is a very simple kind of look because it's very heavy. It involves a different kind of color and glitter. So if you're someone like me who loves to play with colors, then you should definitely try it out and I'm sure it will look good on you. If you want to know more about this look and how to achieve it, then keep on watching.
I have already applied primer off camera. Now we'll begin with the application of concealer, and the one I'm using today is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and wherever I have any pigmentation. So I've applied it on my usual areas, but you can also see that I've applied it on my cheeks as well because I've got few acne scars there. I'm just blending the concealer with a small damp beauty blender. Now for the foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. If you have oily skin like me, then you can actually consider investing in this foundation because it mattifies your skin and gives a very smooth finish. Now I'm going to apply this all over my face and neck as well. Next, I'm going to blend this foundation using a damp beauty blender. Now that everything is blended, I'm going to use a highlighting concealer, and the one I'm using today is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face and I'm blending it out using the same beauty blender. Now to set my under eyes, I am going to use Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. And to set my face, I am going to use Lakme Absolute Wet n Dry Compact using a powder brush. And now I am applying the same highlighting concealer on my eyelids to even out any discoloration. Now for the brows, I'm going to use Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and with that I'm going to use a spoolie brush. The base is finally done. Now let's get to eye makeup. I'll start off by taking this shade, and what I'm going to do is, using a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply this on my crease. I'm basically using it as my transition shade, and using a very light hand, I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm taking this shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease using a pencil brush. I'm moving my brush in circular motion so that it gets blended with the transition shade. And now I'm going to take this shade and using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm depositing the color all over my eyelids. I'm going to blend this out so that there are no harsh lines. And I've also deepened up my crease using this shade off camera. I'm so sorry, I forgot to film it. I've applied this shade exactly like the one where we used the pencil brush. Next, I'm going to apply this shade and I'll apply it on the outer edge of my lower lash line. Now it's time to use a glitter. Using a flat brush, I'm applying it on my eyelids. The one I'm using today is this beautiful blue-green pressed glitter. It's basically a duochrome glitter. Next, I'm going to apply this beautiful shimmery white shade and I'll apply it on the inner edge of my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply a kajal pencil on my waterline. The one I'm using today is NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil in the shade white. If you want, you can of course use a black kajal as well. Next step is mascara. For the mascara, I'm using Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. I somehow feel this eye makeup is incomplete, and to complete this look I'll be using Forever 52 waterproof ink liner, and I'm quickly going to make a wing. Now I'm quickly going to put on my lashes off camera and I'll be back. Now to add some colors back to my face, I'm going to use Faces Canada All-Time Pro Face Palette in the shade Glow. I'm only going to lightly contour my cheekbones and my jawline as always. And I'll contour my nose using a fluffy brush. Now I'll use the same blush on this palette and I'll apply it on my cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the same highlighter from this palette and I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face and also the inner corner and brow bone. And done! With that final step, the eye makeup is complete. And finally, the lip color. The one I'm using today is Lakme Absolute in the shade Brunch Nude. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. To be honest, I was a bit nervous before I made this makeup tutorial because this is such a unique color and I used it for the first time, so I didn't know how it would look, but I'm quite happy with the results. If you guys try it out, then I really hope that it turns out well for you, and trust me, it's gonna look good.
Do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this look. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys soon.
Missing someone